Hi, I'm Cynthia. I have this bachelorette pad with me. I lead a busy lifestyle, so pretty much I would like to come back to a cozy space for me to relax, unwind, and have my own me time. I do entertain a lot of guests as well, so I needed a space that could be cozy, at the same time sufficient enough to entertain my guests when they come. It's a very interesting journey. So I was on the lookout for a specific type of ID. I had very specific requirements as well. So it was an extensive I would call the PQM, price quality measurement process that I went through. So I went on Canvas, and from there I did a short list about 9 different IDs. So that's when I came across WT Plus, and Yvonne came into my contact. Well, she did go through an extensive selection criteria based on the 8 others that she was up against. I have to say, my criteria was pretty much I wanted concealed kitchen. I wanted very strong design elements at my living space itself. From the time people walk into my home, through the walkway, to the kitchen, as well as the living room spaces and at the balcony spaces, I wanted something that was a bit of a fusion element to it. A touch of Peranakan plus modern luxe feel to the whole home itself. So that's how pretty much she got shortlisted, and it was a very interesting experience that we both went through, because right from the get-go itself we were brainstorming various designs. So that kind of stood out to me, and that's why eventually when it came down to choosing the right interior designer, I felt that she was the best fit for me. Well, she definitely did. A very interesting piece is the first point that I made about concealed kitchen, right? So kitchen is very concealed because it's got mirrors and it links to a walkway with curved spaces and all that, which is what I really wanted to have a different look and feel. So I had a couple of aircon guys and a couple of cleaners come over to my place the other day. They were like, "Oh my God, this house doesn't have a kitchen." they thought that was just a walkway, a mirror, a decorative piece. Then I was like, no, you just have to open the door and in you go into the kitchen. So from there, I kind of know that the overall impact was quite high, because it kind of served the purpose that I set out for. And at the same time, functionally, I have a lot of storage spaces as well, which was built into the whole design. So it's functional, plus the design, I would say, exceeded my expectations. Very, very good. I mean, Yvonne and I, we talk like early in the morning, because I'm an early bird, and sometimes at night as well. So she's always been very responsive to my messages, to my texts, as well as to my queries and all that. So I would say we did have very good communication throughout the entire project. First line is this, right? What you see behind me is actually my dry pantry area plus my first entertainment spot. So I like the luxe feel to it. I love the green and the wooden look that has been put into it, because it gives a cozy experience. At the same time, it looks interesting enough for guests to come in and chill out here. So that's one space that I pretty much adore. I make my coffee here every day. So this is a space that I love a lot. The second space is my balcony. I love the Peranakan tiles that was recommended by Yvonne. I thought that was a very interesting touch to the whole home. And that is also my second entertainment spot. So that's why I have made it into a nice chill out space, number 2 in the house. And that's also the space that I spend a lot of time at as well. Yes, certainly. I think it depends on what customers want. So if my friends or my clients that I do have, or in my workplace and all that, if they are looking for design experience, then certainly I would be recommending Yvonne and her team to my friends as well. Thank you, Yvonne and her team, and thank you, WTA Interiors.